Did you know that chemical manufacturing processes can release invisible yet harmful gases? These vapors pose significant health risks to lab workers, making it crucial to understand their source and nature for effective mitigation. Green Ladder Technologies specializes in creating customized bonded carbon filtration solutions. Our products, like the Green Matrix Flat Panel and GLT Bank, effectively control odors and harmful gases using advanced materials such as virgin coconut shell carbon. Our innovative filters are designed to tackle the toughest chemical vapors. By using cutting-edge technology, we ensure that your lab environment remains safe and odor-free, protecting both equipment and personnel from potential harm. Our team collaborates with you to design a solution specific to your facility's needs. By choosing our solutions, you ensure a safer working environment for your personnel. Let's work together to create a healthier future.